Thank you, Tabi. So, minsan ko lang narinig to. Kala ko, kwenta-kwenta lang eh. Try lang. Sabi ko, baka mamaya totoo. So, I visited the office. And now, I'll be getting my first commission. Whew! Ilang weeks ba ito? Ilang weeks ko ba tinrabaho ito?
2 weeks.
2 weeks? Pwede na. Magkano ba commission ko lang? Magkano ba commission natin?
Bali,
Pwede na pang extra income
sign
sila.
na lang po ng name mo, then signature,
Okay.
then date. Sir.
Thank you, Lord.
Total natin ng dirhams na, sir.
Okay, ma'am. Salamat.
Total of 9,500 dirhams. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,